Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts and your vocal cords snap shut. That's what creates the he-see-he-see-she. Why does this happen? Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking something fizzy, or even getting excited or nervous. It's like your diaphragm gets a little confused. Most of the time, hiccups go away on their own. But you can try holding your breath, sipping water, or swallowing a spoonful of sugar to reset your diaphragm. Rarely, hiccups last for more than 48 hours. If that happens, it might be a sign of a medical issue, and you should see a doctor.